all the young and not even young, any women, any queries, anything related to this. Today it is going to be a knowledgeable session, not only celebrating Raja, but celebrating the theme of Raja and the essence of Raja. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vandana. So I would request Srimati Subrata Padi. Her articles on women embellishments have been always inspiring. So ma'am, I have followed many articles of yours and it's really inspiring. And it would be apt if I say that she is a voice of change in the politics. Honorable Speaker, Odisha Legislative Assembly to share her experience on empowerment.
तरफरु आज जो भाव में रज उत्सव पालन करने पदक्षेप बोध हुए आगुरी भी आपने प्रेसिडेंट व चेयरपर्सन या फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट फाउंडर चेयरमैन धरित्री पट्टनायक मैम अच्छा आमर पर्व पालन कर महिला माने आम सब गोटे टैगलाइन कहूचे जे परिवार नहीं आमे सब कथा को मानि जीवा एक कथा नुहे किंतु जहाँ अच्छी जो स्थिति अच्छी से स्थिति ऊपर उठा स्थिति संपर्क जानवा दरकार कौटी ना कौटी विनाश्रय न वर्तन्ते कविता बनिता लता आश्रय बिना कविता वर्तन रही पारे नहीं साहित्य साहित्यिक धारा देखई पारे किंतु एभली कथा नुहे जे जड़े महिला जड़े व्यक्ति से बिना आश्रय बर्ती पार कथा भाव भूल तेणु एक बेले बेले आम भी तो आज पाठ पढ़ीचे समाज रे आम गोटे स्वर को आम उपस्थापन करें तेणु आम भी तो से भितर आत्म माने प्रत्यय आम भीतर आत्म प्रत्यय सृष्टि नहीं पारे किंतु ए कथा को पुणी साधारण महिला पाखे किभली सृष्टि आम संस्कृति विशेष भाव में आमको ही शिक्षा देछि जे महिला एक विशेष और ये महिलार विशेषत्व होछि जहाँ पुरुष केबे करि पारे नहीं ताहा महिला संपादन करे ए सृष्टि को आग को बढ़े नबारे जहाँ प्रमुख दायित्व अछि सी होछि महिला एवं परिवार धुरी होछि महिला से झी हो से पत्नी हो कि से माता हूँ कि बड़ जेजेमा हूँ आज रज पर्व जहाँ घरे जेजेमा थे से निश्चित भाव में नातुणी को डाकी खुणी दे पादरे अलता लगेचु तो बेले आम बेले आम एमती करूँ अलता लगे दे कि से अलता पादरे लगेबार जो जो वैज्ञानिक तत्व अच्छी जो कथा अच्छी औषधीय गुण जो अलतार जो पाद को अलता युक्त कर जो औषधीय परंपरा अच्छी आम जानी हुए न थी पारे किंतु मो जेजेमा जो मत पाद को चाहिए एक कथा कहीदे जड़े जो कहीदेला आज हुलहुली टिके पकेबा शिखिलुणी छोटी चिता जानिलुणी कथा कह जाऊला एबे भी कह जाउछि किंतु कथा होछि या पछर जो रहस्यटी अछि ताको मध्ये आमे बुझिबा दरकार जानिबा दरकार कारण आमे जते बेले आगो बढ़िबा को जाउछि कुआरी झियोटी पुणी से जते बेले वयस्का होछि से आज धरित्री माता रजस्वला उत्सव अवसर में ए कथा को पालन करी आमे समाज को चेतना जागृत करूचे समाज जे आमे मध्ये सही बड़ी विशेष कार्य पाई एक विशेष गुणर माँ भौणी मैंने आज आम समस्ते ए समय को उत्सव मुखर रूप पालन करवा सहित प्रकृति जो समस्त समदर्शी से आम मातृशक्ति समस्त समदर्शी हुआ निज विकास कथा प्रथम आम पूर्वज मैंने अहरह परिश्रम कर आम ओडिया भाषा उपर जितेबाला बंगला भाषा एवं बिहार भाषार प्रभाव पड़ूला से छटपट होते जितेबाला रामेश्वर स्वर उठे ओडिया अति भाषा नए से से कथा को काटिबा आमर ओडिया भाषा आधारित राज्य गठन करने आम पूर्वज मैंने लगी पड़ती और 1936 मसीह से प्रयास आम ओडिशा राज्य ओडिशा राज्य पाइबार भूमि मान विकास चिंता करी ग्राम तल स्तर तृणमूल स्तर भूमि मान ग्रोथ किभली हम से चिंता कर स्टार्टअप रे सर्वाधिक सुजोग पाइबे तार व्यवस्था तेणु मु कहि 2036 ये आर्थिक प्रगति में से योगदान निश्चित रही प्रभु जगन्नाथ सहाय हूँ ये कही समस्त
Thank you. Skills and passion for public services has set her apart as a new generation leader. I request my big change. আজি গণপর্ব রজ অবসরের এতে সুন্দর ভাবে সজবাজ হয়েকি পিকি ফ্লোর সমস্ত মেম্বর্স শুভকামনা জনাচ্ছি এইটি উপস্থিত অনেক আমার পিকি ফ্লোর চেয়ারপারসন उत्सव ऑर्गेनाइज करिसेंती पूरा टीम संगे और एटी मते मध्य सुजोग देइछंती आसीबा पई प्रत्येक लोक जे आसुछंती आपन पाखकु तारो केमि सुस्थ होई पारिबो ताकु ठीक पातरे नेकी जाई पारिबे ता पई आपन निश्चित रूप रे ईश्वरर आशीर्वाद रहू आपी ऑलवेज ट्राइज टू हैंडल इट सो पेशेंटली एंड गोटे जिन सब सुंदर लागे कारण मो बापांकर भी अनुभव तांको पचारे कि आपनकर अनुभव कोन थिला सेशन समय डिफरेंस या होची कि से सुजोग देबा को सब बेले चाहंती समस्त व्हिच इज व्हाई शी इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स समस्त को सुजोग देबा को चाहंती स्पेशली नुवा मेंबर्स मान को हम तो बहुत सुजोग देई छंती जदी हमें अपियर करिछु टीवी रे कि लोक देखि पारि छंती लोक कर इशू उपस्थापना करि पारिछु आपण को पई हमको सुजोग मिलि छै मैडम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड साहित्य उपरे आपण तांकर कथा जते बेले सुनिबे कारण स्पीकर हला परे बेसी तांको स्कोप भी मिले नाही आर्गुमेंट करबा पई किंतु एई ओकेशन्स रे हमको मौका मिले आपण को टिके दीपद सुनि सिखिबा पई मंच उपरे उपस्थित अछंती आउ जणे अति प्रिय धरित्री पटनायक मैडम तांकर भी समाज सेवा संग्रे हमरो कटक रे मग्यारी पई रज गोटे पर्व अछि एई बड़ी बड़ पर्व भी हमें सेलिब्रेट करू महिला मेंस्ट्रुएशन आज का डेट रे भारत रे समस्त जानि छथि एबे भी आपण सोशल मीडिया रे जिबे केवल ओडिया नुहे नॉन ओडिया माने मध्य सेलिब्रेट करू छथि कारण हमर ओडिया लोक माने जो माने अलग अलग अनुष्ठान तयारी करि छथि पूरा देश रे विदेश रे सब जगह रे रज उत्सव करिकि बहुत बड़ आकार रे उत्साह साथे पालन करू छथि उदाहरण हमर ओडिसा रो जो परंपरा हमर कल्चर को बजाय रखिबा पई हमर मध्य गोटे बड़ कर्तव्य प्लस जो रेस्ट दबा पई जो हमको सुजोग दिए एते वर्ष पूर्वरु जो पूर्व पुरुष माने कोन भाबी कि रज पर्वटा स्टार्ट करिथिले सेटा भी जणा नै केते वर्ष पूर्व एटा आरंभ हेछि मां माटी संगरे महिला को मध्य गोटे रेस्ट दिया जाय आज का डेट रे जते बेले कॉर्पोरेट्स आर कमिंग अप विथ पीरियड लीव एंड ऑल एंड वी इंट्रोड्यूस करू जो सब जगह रे बट हमर ओडिसा रे इटसेल्फ 3 दिन रो गोटे रेस्ट हमको समस्त को दिया जाए एंड 3 दिन रो गोटे सेलिब्रेशन माहौल रे हम सब आगु को जाऊ
सेलिब्रेशन समस्त आसी चंती आउ जो थीम रे करा होई छी एथर ऑन सेलिब्रेटिंग womenhood as well as understanding all the issues related to periods menstrual hygiene खाली हमर अजी जो सोफिया कहले स्लम रे अजी हमारा बचपन ट्रस्ट रो जने ट्रस्टी और हम यूथ लीडर भुवनेश्वर स्लम्स रे दीपांजलि स्वाइंस ये भी कहले को ऊपर से हजार एडोलेसेंट गर्ल्स मन को ट्रेनिंग दे जो ऑन मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन
special guest Dr. Garima Swarini, surgical oncologist. I would request ma'am to please come to the stage.
Welcome our chief guest, Dr. Mrs. Parni. So hi and welcome to our forum. You are already there, but welcome to this event. I thank our chairperson, Dr. Pragya Paramita Mishra, again for that celebrates menstruation of women. And imagine 100 years back, almost 90 years back from now, 30s now, Rajo festival started being celebrated only in Odisha. In the entire world, Odisha is the only state that actually celebrates menstruation. So that time, women were in lead, and women were the people who actually objected and promoted Odia culture. First time, the women told Mother Earth menstruates, and these 3 days is for Mother Earth's menstrual cycles to be resting, to rejuvenate, and show the power of womanhood. So, Odisha culture, Odia culture is the strongest culture that needs to be actually more accepted. Badi madam कहले already, Sobra madam भी कहले, and all of us, we already know that even our Prime Minister has accepted it, and a lot of corporates have started accepting after mention for period leaves. So this is the first year, 2025, that a corporate hospital is shut down. When we talk to other women, we talk silently. We talk in a closed space. More periods hai jai. We have started teaching our daughters that menstruation, what are the steps of menstruation, how to take care, and probably because we already know the menstruation menarche, that is the starting of menstruation, is happening at a very, very early age now. The average age of starting earlier was 13 years, now it is 9 years. 9 ବର୍ଷର ଛୋଟ ଝିଅମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି menstruation start ହେଇଯାଉଛି. That is the standard average age of starting of menstruation. So one request to all the mothers over here, जहाँ का भी झियो बा पुओ अछंती, do not wait for their menstruation to start, get a shock and then tell them. Even the schools are having multiple sessions now, but the schools are starting the sessions from middle school. We are invited as doctors to multiple schools also, but from the middle school, from the age of 11, 12, usually they are starting the talk about menstruation. But because the average age of menstruation has come down, we must teach the daughters at much younger age. And not only daughters, you have to tell the men as well. Because we are living in a society where we are equally distributed. Under the supervision of Pragya Paramita ma'am, we have already done 2 hygiene camps. The previous year, we had done a mega camp and we launched the Flower Nari campaign, under which we go to different slums, different government buildings, the Neela Madhava apartments, and we have taught them menstrual hygiene. We have distributed biodegradable sanitary napkins to thousands of adults and girls and women, and we have taught at the grassroots level how to dispose the napkins, how to change it, how frequently we should change it. We are here to celebrate today. Just 5 things that we need to remember and understand. As women and as men, everybody, JBH, 80 Ochanti, it is khali women no parvo no hai, khali jhiyo mat ko no hai. Because unless there is an equal support and understanding of the taboo will still remain a taboo. 50% of the population will not understand what the other 50% is going through. So yes, period is not a shame at all. There is no shame in telling out loud, not secretly to your friend, that I am on my periods. There is no shame in telling out to your brother and your friends who are males, or your colleagues, or your father, that I am in my periods. Because this is a power that we are bestowed with. And the first thing about menstrual hygiene is, the moment you think you have started your periods, do not feel it is a taboo. Please reach out, talk loudly about it. The more we talk, the less shameful it becomes. Now usage is only privileged that we all can afford. We can all afford sanitary napkins. But in our own houses, the staff who are working will not be able to afford. They save money so they do not dispose the sanitary napkin in times. So the 5 points, number 1, talk about periods. In hygiene, you have to remember, whatever choice of sanitary napkin we are using, we are supposed to dispose or change the napkin every 4 to 6 hours. So 4 to 6 hours is the timeline. Even if you are having less amount of blood in your pad, even if there is only wetting of the pad and not complete dirtiness of the pad, every 4 to 6 hours your pads needs to be changed. Whenever you are changing the pad during your menstruation, make sure that cleansing of the intimate areas, both in front and behind, is done thoroughly. Cleaning of it with normal water, if possible with soap every time. So every 4 to 6 hours during a menstrual cycle, clean the intimate areas, make the adjacent area dry apart from your vaginal opening, and then wear the next pad. Whenever women are having periods, they tend to see that the intimate areas and adjacent areas in the groin and near the introitus is becoming infected or painful, or rashes are happening. So when such things happen, do not think it is a very normal thing. It is not normal to have infection every month, is it? It is not normal to have rashes every month. Definitely the skin and the body and the acceptance of the body for every woman is different. We have to understand if there is a rash, we need to change our pad or the quality of pad, or the superficial most layer of the pad needs to be altered. So change your pads if you are having every monthly problems of infection and rashes. Fourth point and most important point, almost all of us, even I have done it a couple of times to my nursing staff and my colleague doctors, we all are having different bodies, different tolerance to pain, and different attitude and response to what is happening to us. Never say period pain is normal. Never ever say that. Because everybody has their own tolerance level, but period pain is there. We have to respect that. We have to give rest to the woman body, and we have to assure that without medication, with basic activity, with hot water fermentation baths, we are able to have a day without pain. Important points for menstrual hygiene that I wanted to mention. Apart from these, there are two things that I want to focus on. One, disposing of the napkins that we are using. All of us, we have in our homes mentioned that dry waste and wet waste has to be separately sent. But can anybody tell me in which waste category are you disposing the menstrual pads? Anybody can tell me in which bags? There is no waste segregation as of now in home and in the residential places for any kind of menstrual pads. So one thing that we have to take home today is all the menstrual pads that we are using today has to be disposed in a separate packet, so that during waste disposal, they are able to put that into a yellow bag. Yellow helps and staffs and people around us. Women who are not as privileged as we are. We also help them with a packet of sanitary napkins probably every month. But do we care enough how much bleeding they are having to have changed that napkin every 6 hours? It will just cost 50 rupees per month per girl. So please give one packet of sanitary napkin to the girl, not the money, so that they are able to change their pads in a proper ritual every 6 months.
And to take care of our menstrual hygiene, what are solutions we have? Safe menstrual product usage like sanitary napkins. There are options to take care like tampoons, menstrual cups, and biodegradable sanitary pads are also there. More in rampant use because of its safety. We should change it like ma'am said by 4 to 6 hours to take it out. So it is so dreaded. So इसीलिए ही maybe it's not much popular. कि मतलब बच्चे तो भूल ही जाएंगे, especially school going children and college going children.
It's not my fault to talk like that. So menstruation. What is menstruation? As in a topic of menstruation. No, I don't need to. No.
Finally here, and hopefully new joinees as well. Today is a very, very special day for all of us, especially all the women. And on this special day, when Dr. Pragya asked me to come and speak, there was one thing which we thought is common to everybody, and that is stress. And so here, on this happy and fun day, I am not going to talk about stress in a depressing manner. Let's talk about stress and how to manage stress in a happier, easier way. So everyone to now think of one thing that they're stressed about.
anything that they're worrying about. Now I want you to take your finger and put it here between your nose and your upper lip. And I want you to put your head up. And now I want you to stress. Think about what was stressing and worrying you. Try. So what you have done, you can now put your finger back, is you have taken away the environment that the stress requires to feel stress. Our body responds to our environment as well. So in case we take away that environment from there, it automatically lets go of the emotion that it is holding on. Try this for a minute. So for the last 2 minutes I'm taking it. So let's take one hand, put it on your heart, breathe in slowly, and when we exhale we are going to hum. Do it at a volume that you can hear. Savita Pradhan, Kiran Dev, Ikshita Mahapatra, please join the stage. I would request Anita from UNICEF, Pragya Chaudhary from Pramea. I would request Dr. K. Tamanna, please join the stage. Dr. Garima, Ananya, and Iti Agarwal, please join the stage. Person Sunita Mahatri, please join the stage as well.
Sides in today's theme. Madam, your inspiring presence has been comforting more than anything else, and I have always been in Orissa as leaders. Our brand MLA Cuttack, Sophia Firdaus, has emerged as the answer to my question. Garima, for that very clear and insightful message, you are making a great difference to your intentions and your interventions. Thank you, Dr. Lopamudra, for sharing your views. Thank you, of Vicky Flo Bhubaneswar present here. Sunita, thank you, Aparajita, for
38, 38, 73, 73.
नंबर दिखाओ काम का टाइम फिर मिलेगा चॉकलेट ये ना ये
One.
भुवनेश्वर चेयरपर्सन फिकी फ्लोर कॉन्सेप्ट है पावर टू एम्पावर आज रज गोटे आम ओडिशा गोटे स्टेट जो कि आम वुमेन डे को सेलिब्रेट कराए जोटा कि रज रज रूप में आम सेलिब्रेट करूँ 3 दिन सेलिब्रेट हुए आज पहली रज यही सेलिब्रेशन मुख्य उद्देश्य अच्छे आम महिला मानक मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन उपर अवगत करेंगे से निजे भी जानवे कौन कौन सब टैबू रही कौन कौन आम मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन को आम जानू प्रॉपर्ली से आम निजे जाना इवन आम जाकि अंडर प्रिविलेज इस्लाम एरिया अवेयरनेस को आम स्प्रेड करने कथा ये मेसेजटा फिकी फ्लो तर फ्लो कवर्स गोटे नेशनल इनिशिएटिव अच्छी से अंडर आम प्रोग्रामटा कर